Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. Today I am unboxing another of one of my favourite brands for 2020 and 2021. I am unboxing another Rare Beauty palette. I already know what is inside the box as my most amazing American friends and their kids sent me a little package. I've got the kids' artwork up on the display at the back here, just as a token of my appreciation that they sent me this birthday gift. It is the Rare Beauty Magnetic Energy Palette, and I am just so excited to swatch this. This is the Magnetic Spirit palette from Rare Beauty. This retails for $25 and is inspired by the light and energy that surrounds each of us. These chromatic shades let you build captivating and illuminating eye looks that reflect your true aura. Now, I absolutely love the Confident Energy palette from Rare Beauty, which is very similar to this, shimmers and chromatic shades, and I have made some absolutely incredible eye looks that I'll show you on screen now with the Confident Energy palette. So I'm excited to see what I can create with the Magnetic Spirit palette. So this is the packaging for the Magnetic Spirit palette. I don't know how much you can see that on camera because of the lighting, but I love the shimmer. It's so eye-catching, and when you have this on your vanity, it just looks so cute because the shine catches your eye. I'm drawn to it like a magpie. Anyway, that aside, let's get on with some swatching. Okay, so we are starting with the shade Ablaze. It's like a gorgeous, it almost looks brown on my finger, but it definitely is more of a green. I think it's just the lighting. Just gonna swatch that on my arm just here. Oh, as always, creamy, beautiful formula from Rare Beauty. And I can absolutely see this being a buildable shade. If you want to make it light, you can. And if you want to make it really thick and pigmented, you also can do that. Next up is the orange shade in Ignite. A beautiful orange shade, aptly named. Oh my god. Look at how beautiful that is. Next up, we're gonna swatch the neutral tone in the shade Power. They are just so creamy to swatch on the fingers. Look how beautiful they come out. Okay, that's basically the color of my skin, but it is a gorgeous gold color. Next, I am gonna swatch this gorgeous royal purple shade in the shade Clarity. Look at how that came out. It's just, oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, look at how gorgeous that looks. And once again, pigmented, can dress it up, dress it down. Although if you do dress it down, it looks a little bit more black than purple. Purple is quite hard to work with in that respect. Next up is this beautiful mauve berry shade in the shade Grounded. That's really pretty on the finger, I like that. I don't think I have a colour like that. Oh, now that swatches beautifully. There's so much dimension to that shade. Last but not least, I will be swatching the shade Passion, which is this beautiful lilac looking shade at the end here. Looks very duochrome here. It's like the base color is quite deep, but then on top of it, it's got like a white silver shimmer to it. It's light, it's airy. And you can darken it as much as you want. It looks more pink on the arm. In the palette, it looks quite purple. These are such buildable formulas. Rare Beauty have absolutely nailed the less is more unless you want more kind of dynamic with their brand. These are some outright gorgeous shades. I love how unique the palette is because I don't think I've ever seen a palette with an orange, green, and purple in. to be used together, especially a small compact like this. The array, the diversity in one small 6-pan palette is so good. The colours perform so differently, and that's what I love about Rare Beauty. Once again, Rare Beauty did not disappoint with another one of their palettes. It's such a small little compact, 6 shades, and yet they all do something entirely different. The shades look different, very unique. The pigment on them is amazing. Once again, Rare Beauty just don't let me down. They are well worth the money that you pay for them as a brand. Rare Beauty nailed it. I will continue reviewing their products. I love everything they stand for. I just love the energy around their brand. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please check back again next week for some more content from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.